Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Honor has already confirmed the launch of the Honor 80 series along with its new foldable phone. The mid-tier Honor 80 smartphones are on their way to debut on the 23rd of November. The design of the models is no more undercover as different official teasers have already revealed how the phone will look like. And we just got the hands-on pictures of the Honor 80 Pro showing a promising design. So the Honor 80 series will consist of 3 models: Honor 80 Pro, Honor 80 SE and the standard Honor 80. Talking about the Pro model, it will hold pretty flagship level specs. On the front, it has a curved 120Hz display with 1.5K resolution and a pill-shaped cutout featuring dual 50MP selfie cameras. If we talk about the stylish looking back cameras of the phone, showing the number 8, which actually signifies the 8th generation of the Honor series, or I can say flagship killer series. Now here is the real story begin. The Honor 80 Pro will be the world's first with a 160MP camera. Yes, you may hear a lot about the 200MP sensor, and even previously Honor 80 Pro was tipped to offer the 200MP, but according to recent reports, its triple camera setup will include a 160MP primary sensor. Camera samples taken from the Honor 80 Pro's 160MP sensor appeared online showing some decent results. However, what's more surprising is the zoomed picture, showing similar clarity to the high-quality telephoto sensors. Next standout feature is that it will be the company's first handset with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the top flagship chipset before the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 offers up to 30% better performance and power efficiency than the chipset used in the Samsung's top flagship S22 Ultra. On the battery side, it will come with a 5000 mAh of battery with 100W fast charging support. Most likely, Honor will be sold it at around 4,500 Chinese yen, equal to $632 US. On the other hand, the standard Honor 80 model shares similar aesthetics but with mid-range internals. It will sport a Snapdragon 782G and a Sony's camera sensor instead of a Samsung's made 160MP. This Honor 80 model is expected to start at under 3,000 Chinese yen, equivalent to $422 US. The most affordable handset from the series will be the Honor 80 SE. And we also got the hands-on pictures showing a slightly different design than the standard and the Pro model. Just like the other mid-rangers, the Redmi Note 12 Pro and Realme 10 Pro Plus, the Honor 80 SE will feature the Dimensity 1080 chipset. Further, it will feature a 120Hz display, which is an impressive addition for such a low-cost phone. Honor 80 SE is expected to start at under 1700 Chinese yen or $239 US. So, what is your opinion about the Honor 80 lineup? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.